Welcome to Business 101 with BHive.
How to boost your website for the Canadian market with these tips. Part 1.
Choosing a domain name with the .ca extension instantly signifies that your business caters to Canadians. Boost your visibility for Canadian users by nailing SEO, using relevant Canadian keywords and getting your business listed on Google and other local directories to show up in Canadian search results. Canada is officially bilingual, with English and French as the main languages. So if you're targeting French-speaking Canadians, make sure to have a Canadian French version of your website. Always show prices in Canadian dollars and include popular Canadian online payment methods like Visa, MasterCard, Interac transfers, and PayPal. Make it crystal clear by displaying your contact details, including a Canadian phone number and maybe even a physical address.
Follow us and stay tuned for Part 2.